Hi everyone, my name is Alex and welcome to another SilentClicks.com training. We've already met, but say hello to Jazz. Together we'll guide you through this part of the tutorial.
Hello. Today we are going to show you the benefits of our platform for different types of audiences. Let's get started.
SilentClicks.com is used by most of our clients for employee auctions. Items on sale are pre-owned company assets such as electronics, furniture and equipment, post-leasing cars, etc. Recently, much attention was brought also to charity auctions.
The second common use of the platform is when companies want to digitize dedicated sales channels for closed groups of customers. The idea is to provide them with additional revenue, wholesale, outlet offer, AI capabilities. Among the profits of employee sales are giving a second life to items, employee HR benefit, security of use, cost reduction, and carbon footprint reduction. Employee auctions are a great way for organizations to save money, reduce waste, and a good example of practical circular economy. It's a simple, sustainable solution that's excellent for people and environment around us.
Talking about profits of customer sales, one should mention its application as additional digitalized sales channel, as well as off-market clearances tool. There are also custom functions available as marketing automation, customer segmentation, or detailed reporting. These features enable businesses to optimize their sales strategies, enhance customer engagement, and make data-driven decisions.
Which type of closed sales tool would work in your organization?
Would it be employee sales? Or rather, extra sales channel for your existing customers? It's even possible to address both types of users in one implementation.
The platform can be fully customized and adopted to your specific needs. We have large experience of successful realizations. Get in contact with us and check how together we can apply the solution to your company's circumstances.
Remember, SilentClicks.com, the effective and secure tool for sales in closed groups of users. We're waiting for your call.